Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to send snaps on Snapchat. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Snapchat, open the app, and after that, choose from where you want to take the snap. You can just take a picture directly, or you can go to memories to find the pictures and the videos that are already existing on your phone. You can choose from home, that will give you the pictures and videos took on Snapchat, or you can go to camera roll to see the pictures and videos on your phone, or you can go to AI snaps to create like AI snaps on your phone, etc. So for example, I will choose this picture. So to send it as a snap, you have just to click on send to, and after that you have to choose the people like you want to send those snap to them. You can post it as a story for friends only, or you can also share it as a public story. It depends on where you want to post it. And also you can send it to your friends, and after that you have just to click on send, and that picture was sent as a snap. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our